So as you can see, this is after 1 year of use, the color gets faded for this. Guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today let's see the review of this parrot or let's say any bird playing set that you can get from Amazon. So this is a kind of a 11-piece set that we are getting. One piece we are getting is the swing for bird. As you can see, it's very nice. It's very good. The thing is that it has this pins that are coming. So you have to stick on to the, let's say, the cage or with some thread so that your bird can swing. So we have first thing. This is made up of wood. And these balls, these beads are also made up of wool, and you can just move it, it's flexible. Second is this bridge that you are getting. Okay, it is not symmetric, let's make it symmetric. So you have to move these pins in a symmetrical position like this. So it will be symmetric like this. So this is a bridge, you can say, for your parrot or bird. So third we are getting this again one more bridge kind of thing, or you can say the stairs. You can put it like a stairs for your bird. So fourth one is a kind of, you can say, a hanging rope. It is made up of plastic. So this is plastic. These three are of wood, and it has this small toys, you can see. So fourth is this hanging, you can say, bell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth is again kind of bell, plastic bell. This is pure wood. This is plastic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So four balls that have a kind of ring in it, or you can say bell. These are made up of plastic. So this is made up of plastic, and it's nice. Quality wise is nice, and I purchased this from Amazon for 37 dirhams. That's all for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you. So as you can see, this is after 1 year of use. The color gets faded for this, and there are a few more that I will show you. So as you can see, this thing again, you can see the color gets faded. As we have parrots, it can chew these wooden parts, and you can see that how it's get worse in this case. And these are plastic ones. There is some wear and tear that you can easily identify over here. The quality of bell, you can see it gets corroded for this also. This is a plastic one. For plastic one, as you can see over here, watching it, the color gets faded.